Have you ever found yourself dreaming of a place so enchanting that it barely seems real? How about El Nido, Palawan? Nestled in the Philippines, this tropical paradise is the epitome of an idyllic getaway. El Nido, with its dazzling white beaches, emerald lagoons, and towering limestone cliffs, is nothing short of a dream destination. Renowned globally for its natural splendor, El Nido has earned a reputation as one of the world's best travel destinations. Its captivating landscapes and vibrant underwater world have been a magnet for travelers seeking to immerse themselves in the heart of nature's grandeur. El Nido is more than just a visual feast. It's a place where the rhythm of island life and the call of the wild meet. It's an invitation to experience a different kind of paradise, one that touches the soul and leaves a lasting impression. In the next few minutes, prepare to embark on a virtual journey to this magnificent paradise. El Nido Palawan didn't just become a paradise overnight. A swirl of turquoise waters, jagged cliffs, and lush greenery, El Nido's charm is deeply rooted in its history. The town's name, El Nido, translates to the nest in Spanish, a tribute to the edible nests of swiftlets found in the caves of the islands. These nests, a rare delicacy in Chinese cuisine, were once the town's primary source of income, and even today, they remain a significant part of El Nido's local economy. Let's drift back in time to when El Nido was home to the early inhabitants, the Tagbanwa and Cuyonon tribes. Living harmoniously with nature, these tribes were the original stewards of this paradise. Their reverence for the land and sea shaped the way El Nido is preserved and cherished today. As we travel through the folds of time, we find El Nido evolving from a simple, quiet fishing village into a buzzing hub of activity. The turn of the 20th century saw the arrival of Spanish colonizers and later, American missionaries, who left indelible marks on the local culture and way of life. Fast forward to the late 70s, with the establishment of the first tourist accommodations, El Nido started to gain recognition as a travel destination. The 80s and 90s marked a significant boost in its tourism, thanks to the efforts of the local government and private sector in promoting sustainable tourism. Today, El Nido stands as a world-renowned travel destination, its allure reaching far beyond its geographic boundaries. Its vibrant local culture, fused with influences from its past, creates a unique charm that captivates every visitor. The town's evolution hasn't been without challenges, but its resilience shines through, echoing in the warm smiles of its people and the continued preservation of its natural beauty. The El Nido we know and love today is a testament to its rich history and resilient people. Its journey from a humble fishing village to a globally celebrated paradise is a story of transformation, resilience, and unyielding beauty. It's a story that continues to unfold with each sunrise, welcoming all who seek to experience the magic of this island haven. El Nido's beauty is born from its unique geography. This tropical paradise, nestled on the northern tip of Palawan in the Philippines, is a marvel of geological architecture. The first thing that strikes you about El Nido is the majestic limestone cliffs. These towering formations, some reaching as high as 3,000 feet, are the result of millions of years of weathering and erosion. Their jagged peaks and ridges form a dramatic backdrop against the azure sky, standing sentinel over the tranquil waters below. Then there are the beaches. Oh, the beaches! Imagine stretches of pristine white sand, as soft as powdered sugar, meeting the clear blue waters of the sea. These beaches are not just beautiful, they are diverse. From the secluded nooks of Secret Beach to the broad expanses of Nakpan Beach, each one offers a unique experience. But the beauty of El Nido isn't confined to its land. Submerge beneath the surface of its clear blue waters, and you'll find a vibrant underwater world. The area is home to one of the most diverse coral reefs on the planet. This underwater ecosystem is teeming with life, from schools of colorful fish to the occasional sea turtle gliding by. Not to be outdone, the land is just as rich in biodiversity. El Nido is home to a multitude of unique species. In the dense forests, you might spot the Palawan hornbill or the Palawan peacock pheasant, both endemic to the island. And let's not forget the Philippine mouse deer, one of the world's smallest hoofed animals. El Nido's geography is more than just a pretty face. It's a hotbed of biodiversity, a testament to the power of nature, and a sanctuary for species found nowhere else on Earth. It's a place where land, sea, and sky come together in a symphony of natural beauty, creating an environment that is as diverse as it is stunning. Indeed, El Nido is a treasure trove of natural wonders. What's a trip to El Nido without exploring its breathtaking attractions? Our journey through El Nido wouldn't be complete without diving headfirst into the myriad of unforgettable attractions this incredible place has to offer. Let's start with the island hopping tours, an absolute must when in El Nido. These tours give you a chance to experience the stunning archipelago up close. Picture this. You're sailing through turquoise waters with the sun's warm rays dancing on your skin and limestone cliffs rising majestically from the sea. Each island you visit has its own unique character and charm, from the white sandy beaches of Shimizu Island to the hidden beaches and secret lagoons of Matinlock Island. And then there's the scuba diving, with El Nido being home to over 100 species of coral and almost 1,000 species of fish. It's a veritable underwater paradise. Whether you're a seasoned diver or a beginner looking to get your feet wet, there's a dive site for you. Imagine descending into the deep blue, surrounded by vibrant coral gardens teeming with marine life. You might even spot a sea turtle or two. But El Nido isn't just about the water. Its beaches are some of the most beautiful in the world. Nakpan Beach, with its golden sand and palm-fringed shoreline, is a slice of heaven on earth. Here you can lounge under the sun, take a dip in the clear waters, or simply enjoy the tranquil scenery. For those seeking a bit more adventure, El Nido offers unique activities that you won't find anywhere else. Ever heard of a secret lagoon? Well, El Nido has them. These hidden gems are nestled within the limestone cliffs, and getting to them is an adventure in itself. You'll need to swim through a small hole in the rock during low tide, but once inside, you'll find yourself in a tranquil lagoon surrounded by towering cliffs. It's an experience that's truly out of this world. And let's not forget about the bird watching. El Nido's lush forests are home to a wide variety of bird species, including the Palawan hornbill and the blue-headed rackettail. So grab your binoculars and head out into the wilderness. You'll be amazed at the diversity of wildlife that calls El Nido home. From serene beaches to thrilling adventures, El Nido has something for every travel enthusiast. Whether you're looking for relaxation or adrenaline-pumping activities, this enchanting place will leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. So pack your bags, bring your adventurous spirit, and get ready to explore the unforgettable attractions of El Nido. As we near the end of our virtual tour, let's revisit the highlights of El Nido's charm. El Nido, a gem nestled in the heart of Palawan, Philippines, is a place that truly embodies the essence of tropical beauty. A place where history, geography, and incomparable attractions intertwine to create a unique tapestry of experiences. We've journeyed through El Nido's rich history, a compelling tale of cultural evolution, shaped by the hands of time and the spirit of its people. The past of this island paradise is as vibrant as its present, telling stories of ancient civilizations, colonial influences, and the resilient spirit of the Filipino people. This history is not confined to textbooks, but is alive in the architecture, the traditions, the food, and the warm smiles of the locals. The geographical wonders of El Nido are nothing short of breathtaking. With its lush rainforests, towering limestone cliffs, and crystal-clear turquoise waters, El Nido paints a picture that no artist can truly capture. Each island, each beach, each lagoon has its own narrative waiting to be explored. And who could forget the unforgettable attractions of El Nido? From the enchanting big and small lagoons to the mesmerizing secret beach, every corner of El Nido offers a new adventure. Whether you're a thrill seeker looking to dive into the deep blue, a nature lover yearning to hike through the verdant jungles, or a traveler seeking the serene rhythm of island life, El Nido has something for everyone. But El Nido is more than just its history, its geography, and its attractions. It's the feeling of sand beneath your feet, the taste of fresh coconut water, the sound of waves gently lapping against the shore, and the sight of the most beautiful sunset you've ever seen. It's the magic that can't be described, only experienced. El Nido Palawan, a paradise that's more than just a dream. It's a place waiting for your footprints, a destination yearning for your discovery.